students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. You are watching regularly my videos, okay? And I'm getting your homework, okay? You all are doing very nicely. So see students, in yesterday's video we have learned about the electromagnets, okay? How the electromagnets we can make it go, okay, with the help of simple activity that also I explained to you. Now today we are going to learn about some uses of electromagnets. But before going to uses of electromagnets, just we will recall the electromagnets definition. So what is the definition of electromagnet, students? The magnet made by using electric current is called electromagnets. What is the definition of electromagnet, students? The magnet made by using electric current. This electric current is used to make the magnet. That magnet is called electromagnet. So here electromagnet definition. You can remind this definition, okay students? You learn this definition. Now we will go to the next part, that is uses of electromagnets, or we can call the applications of electromagnets. Now where we can see the electromagnets? See students, there are different kinds of devices, or we can call it as appliances. In that device, electromagnet is used. So first use is there. See, electromagnet is used in different kinds of devices, especially electric bells, loudspeakers, electric motors, electric fans, toys and telephones. So these all are the appliances, devices. In these all devices, electromagnet is used. So this is the first use. Means electromagnets are used in the different kinds of instruments, devices, appliances like electric bell, electric fans, electric motors, toys, telephone, etc. Clear students? Understood first use? Second use. Now second use, electromagnets are used to separate the magnetic materials. Now what is meant by magnetic materials? Those materials are attracted towards the magnet, they are called magnetic materials. So these electromagnets are used to separate out the magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. Now what are the magnetic materials, students? Iron, magnetic material, steel, magnetic material. So these irons, especially the iron scrap. Iron scrap means what, students? Iron scrap means junk. So iron materials like nail, whatever the metallic things are there, that all metallic things are removed from the junk of garbage. For example, plastic. Plastic is non-magnetic material. Polythene is non-magnetic. Paper non-magnetic. Wood non-magnetic. So these electromagnets are used to separate out the magnetic materials from the non-magnetic materials. Okay? Understood? Next point, that is called the third use of electromagnets. Electromagnets are used by doctors. Now, especially eye specialists. Okay, so electromagnets are used by a doctor to remove the tiny iron particles. Sometimes what happens, students? This time, sometimes the small tiny iron particle goes in our eyes. So that tiny iron particles can be removed with the help of electromagnets. Okay, so electromagnets are used by a doctor to remove the tiny iron particles from the eyes of a person. Okay, clear? So this is the third use. Electromagnets are used to remove the tiny iron particles from the eyes of the person. Next thing, or next point or use, electromagnets are used to lift heavy blocks like big machines and scrap to remove or to separate out or to lift the loads like big machines, okay, and scrap means the junk of iron, loading and unloading means loading vehicles and unloading vehicles, okay, that kind of. So these are the simple 4 uses are there of electromagnets. My dear students, you learn these all the electromagnets uses properly. Okay, 4 uses are there. These uses you learn properly and keep in mind. Okay, so today we will stop here, students. Today we have learned the importance or the uses of electromagnets. Okay, students. So today I will stop here.